Stop. If you're thinking about buying AI Video Studio, there's something you need to know first. This isn't just another video editor. It's the world's first topic-to-video AI system that takes any subject, generates structured slides, writes a full script, adds narration, syncs transitions, and hands you a finished video, all in under 10 minutes. No filming, no scripting, no editing. So here's the big question. Is AI Video Studio really the future of faceless video creation, or just another overhyped launch? In this review, I'll show you exactly what AI Video Studio is, how it works, who it's for, the pros and cons, and whether it's actually worth buying. Plus, if you decide to grab AI Video Studio through my link below this video, you'll also get my exclusive bonus package worth $599 absolutely free. What is AI Video Studio? It's a complete AI video production system that turns any topic into a finished video. Topic-to-video engine, auto Google Slides generation, AI voiceover script plus narration, slides to video conversion, smooth transitions plus synced timing, built-in editor for trimming, music and overlays, MP4 export with unlimited downloads and commercial license included. Benefits. Why people are interested. Automation. Create full videos in minutes. Faceless content. Perfect for YouTube, courses, ads, and explainers. Multi-model power. Access 6 elite AI models for different topics. Commercial license. Sell videos to clients and keep 100% profit. Lifetime access. Pay once, use forever. No monthly fees. Inside AI Video Studio, you're getting 6 AI models: DeepSeek, GPT 5.5 Pro, Kimi, Claude, Gemini, topic-to-slide engine, AI voiceover script, plus narration, slides to video engine, built-in editor, trim, retime, music, overlays, smooth transitions plus synced narration, MP4 export, and unlimited downloads, beginner-friendly dashboard, commercial license included, and 30-day money-back guarantee. Honest pros and cons. Now let's talk honestly. Pros. Complete video system, not just a script tool, beginner-friendly, no technical skills required, unlimited videos, unlimited downloads, commercial license for client work, and one-time payment, lifetime access. Cons. No guaranteed income. Results depend on niche and consistency. Marketing and distribution still required for growth, best suited for creators, educators, and agencies ready to scale. Results. What to expect. Expect faster video production, more consistent publishing, and multiple income streams. Creators. Scale faceless YouTube channels. Educators. Build courses and training lessons. Agencies. Sell video packages to clients. The biggest benefit, AI Video Studio replaces your entire video production workflow with one AI system. Now here are my exclusive bonuses if you grab AI Video Studio through the link below. Bonus 1, Viral Video Topic Pack. Value $299. 500 plus ready-made prompts to instantly generate high-converting video ideas. Bonus 2, Faceless Video Profit Blueprint. Value $300. Step-by-step guide to monetize faceless videos and scale into a full agency. Total bonus value $599. Yours free. When you get AI Video Studio through my link today. So, is AI Video Studio worth it? If you want to create faceless videos without scripting, recording, or editing, then yes, AI Video Studio is absolutely worth it. Click the first link in the description to secure AI Video Studio, plus my $599 bonus package today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.